This is a Glomensio Firefly. And I am Gaurav, a considerably less famous mechanical engineer than Mark Rober, but a mechanical engineer nonetheless, with the same ability to create magical things that one can touch, feel, and appreciate, unlike some other things like crypto and NFTs, which are vaporware. Change my mind. I'm building a startup called Glomensio. And no, there's no Forbes 30 under 30 or Forbes 40 under 40 in my list of investors. Neither was any VC or accelerator that meant entrepreneurs like assembly line. This is made possible by sheer grit of just few of my friends that are hell-bent on making it happen, and few people like yourselves that have supported us with their investments, close friends and family. It started out as just light up house numbers, but I wanted to do more with it. I left my master's, PhD, all of the plans at the time. I decided to make the numbers modular so anybody can put them together like Lego bricks and have themselves a light up house number. I decided to keep going further with it. I wanted this to be the smartest smart home device there is. Build something that actually makes a difference. Doing good rather than just trying to look good about it. I know every entrepreneur claims that they are going to revolutionize an industry. I wanted this to be one candid example of somebody stating it and then making it happen. As a mechanical engineer, I feel like I have the unique privilege of being able to share behind the scenes of how the sausage gets made. That's what I currently do with all of my friends and family investors. I would like you all to be part of the journey as well. I'll be posting more videos on this channel about how I'm building a startup and how what I stated that I'm going to revolutionize something actually gets accomplished. How I make it happen. I'm going to be posting more on that. I hope you will join me in this journey. I'll let you be the judge.